thanks for joining me once again. In this session, we'll see the full process with all the things we already demonstrated. We'll see different kind of generation processes, like with set value, with test record, a full one. So we'll start with this form. Our form we played with. We first save to Salesforce, and then we have several steps because now the form is on edit status. We need to activate it. So once it's done, we can close it, go to our form page and press activate. Once we do, this status will change. So it will take a second. It's now activating, and we can generate while it's active. Once you're done with the form and you're happy with the result and the generate output and all the tests came out great, you can press publish. But keep in mind that I don't need publish to generate. How we generate? So we'll go to our record and we have this button here, the Lightning Generate Document, and we'll press on that. We now have the generation screen and we need to choose our form. So this is our form. We see that the status is indeed active. We can choose it. And then we will choose our output. So we can either choose PDF to download to our computer. Of course, the generated output will also can go on files to your record. And we can either use HTML and link or download for our interactive collection fields, because we indeed need an HTML output to press submit so we can insert all the information from the other side, and the generated PDF with all the information will also will be saved under files in our record. For this table demonstration, we'll go to PDF download, we can give it a name, and we can press generate. So this is our output. We have here all the products, all the description, all the list price and the discount. For that matter, I can see that for this one I don't have a discount. So I can go back to my form, add logic that if it's empty, put a symbol like an X on it or another symbol you would like to use. I can also say that the product description needs some more space, so I can play with the width of the other columns and make it a bit more aesthetically pleasing and prettier. This is what the tests are for, so I can see. So this is a demonstration of how the table is rolling down. Let's generate another form, the group table one. So I'll go to this one instead, PDF download as well, and generate. So this is the example for our group table. This is the regular one. I have an Apple Watch, Sony, Xiaomi. I have here the other alignment, which is not aesthetically pleasing. I can't know which product for which quantity, and imagine you have like 100 products here. It's not nice to look at. And we have here the one with the group, which is very convenient to see. We have the product name, quantity and discount for each one of them combined. So let's go back to our designer. This is our form. We'll open it again, and we can adjust the things we saw that weren't right in our eyes. Of course, that after even you activated and published the form, you can always go back and edit again and again and again. So here we saw that the discount can be narrower, the list price as well, and the product name as well, because our product description can have some more room to spread out. Another cool thing you can do, that if I know that the discount will be only one digit, I can go here and narrow it down even more. But what will happen is that the name discount of our field, we'll just ignore a second from our header, the field is longer. So what I can do, just for the design purposes, because I want to see the table right, I can go here to the field itself and properties and control the number of positions of my discount field. I know from my record in Salesforce that the maximum length is 2. Once I press OK, I can see it like that. Remember, just for the design purposes. Just in the designer, later on, of course, you'll have in the output the whole thing. Another generate option. I want to see now how I'll go with another one, not a table one, the amount. I want to see how the amount will generate, but just for my test. So I can go here to the field and press set test value. I want to see the word test, or maybe test 2. If I do want to do it on a table, I can go to the field. Sorry, right here. No, not that as well. Okay, so here I can adjust the set value to how many rows I will see. I know I have 3 products, the Xiaomi, the Apple, etc. I want to see only 2 of them. And the product name itself, I can put the word test as well. Again, you do you, however it's convenient for you. I usually do the full process, but you can use the set value feature. It's a great tool. Another thing you can do from the record itself, if I go here to my record page, not the generation screen, I can copy this URL part, the name of my record, go back to the designer, and here under form, I can do an actual test record. I can put here my record and generate like that. So you saw how we can use the set value, how we can use the generated full process to see the PDF itself, and how to use the set value. So there you have it. I hope it was helpful, and good luck with your forms. We'll meet again. Bye bye.